Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to restore deleted contacts on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open the Contacts app. Now first of all, let's delete all the contacts on our smartphone. Now let's select all the contacts on our smartphone and tap on Delete All. Now as you can see, we have deleted all the contacts on our smartphone. Now to restore the deleted contacts on our smartphone, just tap on the three dots, then tap on Trash. Now as you can see, these are all the contacts which we have deleted. Now just tap and hold on the contacts which you want to restore. I will select all of them, then tap on Restore All. But remember that the contacts which we have deleted will be in the trash section for 30 days. And after that, they will be deleted forever. And this is how you can restore all the deleted contacts on your Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.